What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and I've been putting this off for a while, but I'm finally going to be placing my Raptoreum into a node. I was recommended Inodes by quite a few people actually. I can't speak on their behalf because I haven't used them yet, but it seems like a lot of people are using them. So if you want to do this, I'll just show you as I'm doing it. I went to inodes.com, and then you can go click to log in, and you can log in with an actual Google account. So I did that. Once you do that, you'll come to this screen right here. My stats, obviously there's nothing yet because I don't have anything deposited. I don't have any smart nodes, and I don't have any payments. So the first place you need to go to is send your RTMs to a personal address to start staking. You can find that here. You click here, and then my account is currently unlocked. But when you first log in, it's locked. There's going to be an email button. You click on the email, and then it sends you a confirmation, and then it gives you like a certain amount of time, and then it locks again. I guess that's so you can't just constantly keep changing stuff, or if somebody gets into your account, there's like almost like a form of two-factor. Then you get an onboarding address. This is like a withdrawal address. And from what I've read, they do allow you to mine directly to this withdrawal or with this deposit address, so that's pretty cool. Then your balance will go in here. You need at least 500 RTM to start earning on a node. So if you don't have 500 yet, then you can't make anything. And then there's the rest of the stats. So I'm currently waiting for my wallet to finish syncing, and then I'm going to send over some RTM and see how it works. So bear with me, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. My wallet is now synced up. I'm going to copy my onboarding address, and we're going to open up the wallet, and we're going to send over pay to. We're going to paste that wallet address in there, enter a label. That's going to be Inodes. And the amount for right now, we're just going to send over 500 RTM. Subtract fee from amount now. I always like to just send a little test amount before I send the full thing, because mistakes have been made and people have lost money before, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. So then we go down here, transaction fee is basically nothing, and we hit send. Are you sure you want to send 500 RTM to this address? That's the fee, so this is the total. Yes. And there it is. We are sending that over to Inodes. So I don't know how long it's going to take for it to show up on their dashboard here, but yeah, I'll let you know when it gets here. It is currently 5:08 p.m. Alright guys, so I watched a YouTube video and I came back to it. It's been about, 10 minutes, give or take, and the RTM has been funded. It is there. So I guess from this point, it will be onboarded onto a node, and then that's when you'll start earning RTM. And let's go back to our stats. Let's see here, my stats. You don't have any staked RTM. I guess it takes onboarding, so it hasn't entered into a node yet. Okay, well, I guess I'll give this some time and we'll come back to it later. Alright guys, so I gave it more time. It is like 10 o'clock at night and I'm basically done waiting. It's still onboarding. I was reading on some of the help pages and stuff that they only onboard at certain times. I guess it's maybe, during the day probably. So I'm going to check back in and do an update video once this onboards. I'm not going to deposit any more until this actually does its thing, because I still am skeptical. You gotta be skeptical in the crypto world. It is how it is. Now if you look over here on blockchain, I was looking at the actual rewards. So a full node is 1.5 million RTM. That's worth about $24,000, and the daily reward on that $24,000 is $23. So the daily ROI is 0.096%. It's not even a full percent. A weekly ROI is a little over 0.5%. Monthly ROI is 2.8%, and yearly is 35%. So it doesn't burn any electricity, so that's kind of cool. It just kind of sits there and earns money. And from what I read, you can withdraw your money. You put in a withdrawal request and they go through at the end of the month. So you can't necessarily withdraw it right exactly when you want it to, but you can withdraw all of your collateral at the end of the month. You just have to put in a request, and it has to be not on the last day of the month. Now, I looked at it, and on my 500 RTM, they would be paying me out 0.48 a day, and if we look at that on a week scale, that is 3.6 a week, and then I guess we'll just times that by 4, 13.4 a month on 500 RTM. Now, I do have right at 30,000 RTM, so if I put my full 30,000 in times 0.00096, that comes out to 28 a day and 201 a week, and then roughly, give or take, 800 a month for just letting them sit in there. So that's pretty cool. I'm thinking about it. I'm not exactly sure. If you guys are using iNodes or something similar, please drop it down below and let me know. Let me know how yours is doing, and hopefully I'll have some content and stuff for you guys here soon, maybe in the next few days once I get mine up and running. And maybe this could be like a, I don't know, once in a blue moon kind of video, just checking in on it, seeing how it's doing, because I don't know if this ROI is going up or going down or just staying the same. So with that being said, I want to wish y'all a happy night, merry day, all that kind of stuff. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.